Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, May 11th. We saw a couple of isolated thunderstorms across the Wallops region around sunrise this morning. We are expecting another batch of some light rain here within the next hour, but should be seeing a rain end by noon at the latest, and then seeing some more sunshine as we go towards this afternoon. Let's take a quick look at our radar. There's those showers and storms well east of the region now, and we are starting to see some much lighter rain starting to move across the southern half of the Delmarva associated with a weak cold front. This will be moved through over the next hour or two, ending by noon at the very latest. Then we'll start to see some drier air filter in and a little bit more sunshine with some slightly below average temperatures this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there's that cold front that's bringing these showers across the area this morning. We will have some cooler temperatures behind this cold front over the next day or two. Then Wednesday, seeing some high pressure build over the central mid-Atlantic, and as we go towards the end of the week, we will be seeing things warm up a bit as we get some good southwesterly flow developing across the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. Let's take a quick look at our satellite this morning. There's the clouds that are associated with the band of light rain that's about to move over the area, and you can see behind it plenty of clearing. Just seeing some lower clouds develop around 5 to 7,000 feet. But otherwise, we should see some good sunshine once we get towards the afternoon hours today. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, we are seeing westerly winds at the surface up to about 3,000 feet, then seeing those winds shift southwesterly, remaining around 30 knots or so up through 6,000 feet, then increasing to 45 knots at the 12,000 foot level. Then we're seeing those winds quickly increase from 60 knots at 16,000 feet to just over 100 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just above 7,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing those scattered showers here, like I said, over the next hour or two, and then seeing some more sunshine this afternoon. We are going to be seeing a high of around 65 degrees, which is about 5 degrees below average for this time of year. Might rule out a slight chance of an isolated shower during the early afternoon hours, but right now that looks unlikely, only around about 10%. As we go towards this evening, we're going to continue to see clouds decrease, expecting a cool, chilly low of 43 degrees tomorrow, which is about 10 degrees below average. And then we'll see a partly cloudy to mostly sunny day for Tuesday. Taking a look at our winds, seeing westerly winds right now around 9 to 14 knots and a little bit gusty. Those winds are going to shift northwesterly this afternoon, remaining 9 to 14 knots and gusty. They will decrease to 7 to 12 knots overnight before increasing once again to 9 to 14 knots by mid-morning Tuesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are seeing a few at 7,500, broken at 8,500, overcast at 11,000, with that chance of some shower activity over the next 2 hours. Towards this afternoon, going to be seeing just a few clouds at 4,000 feet, scattered at 7,500, and then just seeing scattered at 6,500 once we get towards the late afternoon hours, and then seeing mostly clear skies tonight, with a few at 6,000 feet, few at 25,000 feet by 8 a.m. tomorrow. We are seeing some low tides out there around 1/2 to 1 foot below normal. Take a quick look at our long-term weather model to show how the weather pattern will be progressing. This is, you see here that cold front that is giving us these showers this morning. As we go into tomorrow morning, we're going to see a little bit of a chillier air mass helping to give us those temperatures tomorrow in the low 40s. We're also going to see that high pressure start to slowly build across the region as we go into Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday morning will be a little bit chilly as well as we get some decent radiational cooling, giving us temperatures lows around 40 degrees, perhaps in the upper 30s, and then giving us a very pleasant day under mostly sunny skies Wednesday as high pressure um, pretty much dominates the entire mid-Atlantic region. But as we go towards the end of next week, that high pressure will shift east, and we're going to get a little bit more of a summertime type setup with some southwesterly flow and that high pressure starting to set up over just to the west of Bermuda. And that's going to give us a much warmer air mass, maybe even make it a little humid out there. We are expecting temperatures at Wallops into the upper 70s, and then in the warmer spots across the interior Delmarva, we are expecting high temperatures near 80 or in the low 80s perhaps. And that will persist Thursday and Friday. As we go into Saturday and Sunday, we'll get this weak stationary boundary sitting up across the northern Delmarva, as well as some light winds, and that could actually give us some a setup for the chance of some isolated pop-up showers or thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday, running only around a 20% chance right now for seeing that Saturday or Sunday. But it will remain warm out there with temperatures near 80 degrees. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, seeing those AM showers today with a high of 65. Tomorrow is going to be cooler as we're going to be behind this cold front. We are going to be seeing a high only up to 61 degrees, but under partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies. Wednesday, we are going to see a cool morning with a low of 42 and a high of 64. Thursday, we'll start to return to more normal temperatures expected for mid-May with a high of 66 degrees, and then we'll start to see things really warm up starting on Friday. We'll have a very mild low Friday morning of 60 degrees, seeing that high getting up into the mid to upper 70s, and then seeing those highs in the upper 70s for Saturday and Sunday with those very mild lows for Saturday morning and Sunday morning into the low 60s, and also going to be seeing that just a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.